How to add WhatsApp number to Facebook page. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Facebook application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now what you simply need to do is switch your Facebook profile to your Facebook page over here. So I'm gonna switch to my Facebook page over here. So make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device, and if you do not have a stable Wi-Fi connection, you can switch to cellular data as well. And now after switching on to your Facebook page, simply tap on your profile page at the top right corner of the screen, and as we tap on it, you can simply select on the option of your Facebook page as well. Now when you tap on the Facebook page option, you can just scroll down and let's tap on the three dotted lines beside advertise over here, and what you can simply do is tap on the option of add action button over here. So let's tap on add action button, and as we do that, tap on edit buttons, and here you can see the option of send WhatsApp message. So let's toggle on this option, and here you can simply tap on connect WhatsApp account over here, and you just have to mention your valid phone number and you'll have to verify yourself, and you'll be able to add WhatsApp number to Facebook page. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.